Umanaw na ang asawa ni Elvis Gutierrez na si Alexa Gutierrez matapos nitong makipaglaban sa sakit na leukemia. Base sa post ni Rufa, kapatid ni Elvis, ay ngayong araw ng Linggo pumanaw ang kanyang sister-in-law. Sa social media ni Rufa Gutierrez ay binahagi nito ang larawan ni Alexa kung saan sinabi nito sa kanyang caption na mapagmahal na ina at anak umano ang kanyang in-law. I am still trying to process and accept that you are no longer with us. It's so hard. Words cannot express how heartbroken and shocked I am. I love you so much, my beautiful, irreplaceable Alexa. You will forever be in my thoughts and in my heart until we cross paths again. Kung ating matatandaan, nitong nakaraang buwan lang ay humihingi ng dasal ang pamilya Gutierrez para sa agarang paggaling sana ni Alexa sa kanyang sakit. She's battling leukemia, just continue to pray for her. She's actually struggling right now. I don't want to talk about it because I might cry. Elvis is also having a hard time because they've been in and out at the hospital since January, so pagdasal po natin sila. We really need your prayers kasi the treatment that she needs wala dito sa Pilipinas, so I don't know if she's able to fly out or not. So yun ang tinitingnan namin. Ito ang naging pahayag ni Rufa Gutierrez nang tanongin ito tungkol kay Alexa noong nakaraang buwan.